Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by making your Facebook profile easy to find and trust. Use a clear profile photo and a brief bio that shows your interests. Add location and at least 5 interest keywords so suggestions match your preferences. Set privacy so friends of friends can find and message you when appropriate. Review your contact settings to allow messages from people in groups or events. Update your cover photo and recent activity to give new contacts context about who you are. Use the Facebook search bar to find people by interest, location, or name. Type specific hobby keywords and filter results by people and city to narrow options. Join groups related to those hobbies and participate in conversations to become visible. RSVP to local events and follow event attendee lists to find active members. Check friend suggestions and people you may know for profiles with mutual connections and relevant interests. Send concise, friendly messages. When you find someone, always send a short, friendly message before adding. Explain how you found them and mention a specific shared interest to start rapport. Ask open questions about their experiences and reply promptly to keep momentum. Suggest small online interactions first, like commenting or joining a voice chat to build trust. Use Facebook privacy controls to limit what new contacts can see initially. If you consider meeting in person, do that only after consistent communication and public, safe arrangements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.